Now students, so write the given numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take a bigger number, then smaller than that, and smallest one. Means in descending order we have to take a bigger one first. Here see, here how many numerals are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 4 numerals we have to decide which one is bigger first. First we have to count number of digits. In first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numerals are there. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. In all 5 digits are there. Now we have to compare from left to right. In 10,000 plus 9 is there, 9 is there, 9 is there, 9 is there. In all 4 equal, 9, 9, 9, 9 is there. Next, 5, 5, 5, 5. In all thousands place 5, 5, 5 is there, and they are also equal. Now we go for hundreds place. 7, 1, 2, 9. 7, 1, 2, 9. 9 is a bigger. First we have to take 9. This is first place. Then 7 is in second place. Then 2 is in third place. Then 1 is in fourth place. So in this way we have to arrange in descending order. So the biggest one is 95,921. Then the second is 95,741. And the third is 95,287. Next, the fourth one is 95,125. In this way we have to arrange. Now the second question. So first we have to count number of digits. How many numerals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals. In these 4 numerals we have to count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In all 6 digits were there. Now we are going to compare from left to right. That is from lakhs place to ones place. In lakhs place, 1, 1, 1, 1. All are equal. In 10,000 place, 5, 5, 3, 9. In 5, 5, 3, 9. 9 is a bigger. This we take first. We should take this one first. This is a bigger. That is 1,94,145. Then after that 5, 5. After 9, 5, 5. So in this two again we have to check which one is a bigger. In both 5, 5 is same. Then here in thousands place 6 is there. In thousands place 4 is there. In between 6 and 4, 6 is a bigger one. So 1,56,274. This we take second and this is third. 1,54,123. And the last is this one. 1,36,413. 413. So in this way we have to arrange in descending order. Now ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. First we have to take a smaller. So vice versa, reverse of this. So decreasing order, descending order, ascending order, increasing order. Now increasing means first we have to take a smaller. First number of digits we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numerals, number of digits are 5, 5. Now we compare from 10,000 place to ones place. In 10,000 place 9 is there, 9 is there, 9 is there, 9 is there. All are equal. In thousands place 2, 2, 2, 2. Thousands place also equal. 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we go for hundreds place. 4, 1, 4, 0. 4, 1, 4, 0 means 0 is smaller. First we have to make smaller. 92,000. After 0, 1 is smaller. This is in second place. 92,102. Then in this two we have to decide which one is smaller. In this hundreds place 4 is there, 4 is there equal. In tens place we have to take 5 and 3. 5 and 3, 3 is smaller. This is in third place, this is in fourth place. 92,430 and the last is 92,456. In this way we have to arrange in ascending order, increasing order. Increasing order we have to arrange. Now the next question. So we have to count number of digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In all these four numbers, number of digits are 6, 6, 6, 6 digits per there. So we have to compare from lakhs to ones. Lakhs to ones. Here lakhs place first. 1, 1, 1, 1. All is 1, 1, 1, 1 is there. Then after that 2, 2, 3, 1. In 2, 2, 3, 1, 1 is smaller. This 1,14,230. And after 1, 2 is smaller. This is in second place. 1,24,520. Then after that 3 places. 2, 4. Here 2, 4. These 2, 4, 2, 4. In these two we have to decide. 2 is there, 2 is there, and 4 is there, 4 is there. Here 5 is there, here 7 is there. So that is why this one is smaller. So that is already blue. So these two, these two are smaller. In these two, so first we have to go for smaller one and the last one is bigger. Ascending order means increasing, no? Increasing means first we have to take a smaller one. This one is a smaller, 1,14,000. After that, 2 is smaller. So we have two such numbers. So this and this. In these two, in 10,000 place we have 2 here and we have 2 here. So again we have to compare thousands place. Thousands place 4 is there and in thousands place 4 is there. Next we go for hundreds place. Here hundreds place 5 is there and here hundreds place 7 is there. In between 5 and 7, 5 is smaller. So this one is smaller. Then after that this one, third one. 1,24,741. Then after that bigger one is 1,34,000. 1,34,203. So this is a bigger number. This is a bigger number. No. In this way we have to arrange ascending order and descending order. In descending order one question is left and in ascending order also one question is left. That is your home assignment. Okay. Now here which has a greater value? 98,486 1 rupee notes. It means 98,486 or 96,401 is in numeral, other one is words given. So first we have to convert the given words into numeral. Given words into numeral. First you have to take 98,486 rupees, 1 rupees. 1 rupee notes. Next 96,486 96,000. 98 here 96. In 98 and 96, which one is bigger? 98,486. This is a bigger than, greater than. 98,486 1 rupee notes are greater than 96,486. 96,486. Because here 98 is there, here 96 is there. 98 is bigger, so this value is bigger. Okay. First we have to convert the given numeral words into numeral. numeration. So after converting, then compare the given numerals. Which one is bigger? Okay. Now here. So sixth question. Lakshadweep population is given in 1991. 51,707. Then the same in 2005 it was 60,596. In which year had the greater population? Greater population. First you take the population in the year 1991. Solution. Lakshadweep. Population. Lakshadweep population in 1991. What is the population? Lakshadweep population 51,707. Population in 2001. 2000. What is the population in 2001? 60,595. So this is the population in 2001. In 1991 population 51,707. In which year population is more? So now you compare. First you count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits were there. So we start counting from 10,000s to ones. Here what is there in 10,000s place? 5. Here 6. In 5 and 6, which one is bigger? 6 is bigger number. 6 is bigger number. It means in 2001 population is more. So in 2001 population is more. So in this way we have to check in which year the population is more. Okay. Now same question means, so similar question. So here population is given, here monthly income is given, yearly income. So my mother earns rupees 84,000 annually. Annually how much? How much his mother's income? 84,000. 84,000. My friend's mother, his friend's mother earns 84,900. Then whose mother gets more money in 1 year? So first, so his mother's income. His mother's yearly income. How much rupees? 84,000. 84,000. Now his friend mother's yearly income. Rupees 84,900. 84,900. So his mother's income is 84,000. His friend's mother's yearly income. His mother's yearly income. So now you compare the incomes between these two, means his mother's income, friend's mother's income. Now you compare. So how many digits were there? First you count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits were there. Now we start counting from 10,000 place to ones place. Then here 10,000 place 8 is there, they are equal. Now you go for thousands place, here 4 is there and here 4 is there, they are equal. Now you go for hundreds place, here 0 is there and here 9 is there. In between 0 and 9, which one is bigger? 9 is bigger. 9 is bigger. So his friend mother yearly income is earns more. So his friend mother yearly earns more. Yearly earns more. Okay. So like this we have to compare. We have to compare and we have to write. How to compare? We start comparison from ones, means from left to right. Here from 10,000 place to ones place. If equal are there, then we move for next place. If the next place is also equal, then we go for the next place. So wherever the bigger number will come between, so that is the bigger. That is the bigger one. Okay. Now building numbers. So how to build? How to prepare? How to make a number? So required number. So then here what he has given? Use the given number of digit. Number digit. Number which digit? Number digit. To form the smallest and greatest number possible. You may repeat the digits. You may repeat the digits. Smallest and greatest. Here, in this first 5-digit number we want. In this we need 6-digit number we want. Then how to form 5-digit greater number and smaller number? 6-digit greater and smaller number. One by one you check here. So then how many digits were there here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to prepare a 5-digit smaller number and greater number. 5 digits. Here smaller means for greater number. So which one is greater in this greater digit? So which one is greater? First you fill the smaller numbers. What is 1, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. In these 5 digits, here you have to take a smaller one last. Little bit bigger 2. Then what is left? 5 is left, that is bigger. That you take 3 times. 5, 5, 5. In this way, so we can prepare a greater number. A greater number. Okay. So in the same way, this one. So then how to prepare? How to prepare a bigger number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit greater number. So first you take a smaller number in the last place, ones place, and bigger than this. Now, what is a bigger number? That you repeat 3 times. 7, 7, 7. Okay. This is the method to prepare a bigger number. In the same way, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then smaller number is 0, and the bigger than this is 1, and bigger than this is 4, and biggest is 6. You repeat 2 times. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are here. So 66,410. So in this way we have to prepare a greater number. Then smallest number. How to prepare? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. In the smallest number, first we have to take smaller number. First in the smallest number. Then how to write? First we have to take smaller number first and bigger than this. So how many numbers we have to repeat first? Do one thing. So in the same way, first you have to write here which one? A bigger number in the last place. Which number? Biggest one. Then smaller than this is 2. Then after that smallest is 1. 1 you have to repeat 3 times. Okay. This is the smallest number. This is the smallest number we can form. We can form using the digits. When? Here. In this case, then how to write? Here the greatest number we have to write in the last. So reverse of this. Here we are taking smallest number first in the ones place. Here bigger number we have to take in ones place. And smaller than this is, don't take smaller than this. So whenever 0 will come, so it is important. Then how to write? How to write? In the case of 0, in smallest case. When 0 will come, so you do one thing. First you take a smaller number, second smaller number here. Which smaller number? Second smaller number you have to take here. When 0 is there, when 0 will come, so then, so in this case, a bigger number you keep here. Then after that, the second smallest number you keep at the very beginning. and after that which number? 0. How many zeros we have to take? 3 zeros. 3 zeros. All zeros you have to keep. Then you will get smallest number. Smallest number. In this way we have to prepare our smallest number. When 3 digits, 3, 1, 0, one of the number is 0. The next. Here, how to make? First we have to write here bigger number 6 and smaller than this is 4. And two smaller numbers left, 0 and 1. So one of the smaller number, second smaller number we have to keep here, and whatever the numbers left, whatever the digits left, in that case we have to repeat zeros. When zeros will be, 0 will be there, then you have to use your brain. First you have to complete our biggest numbers first, then after that two smaller numbers, you don't write two smaller numbers. In that two smaller numbers, so the second smaller number you keep here and zeros. So in the rest of the places you keep zeros. Rest of the places you keep zeros. You keep zeros. Now, greatest 6-digit number. 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. Okay. So in this greatest, first we have to arrange a smaller number here. 1. And after that 2. 1, 2. In the same way. 1, 2. Here 5 we are taking here 5 3 times. Here we have to take 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6-digit number. Then 5,55,000. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. So here the question. The same 0 first and 5 next. Here 7 repeats 3 times. Here we have to repeat 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 repeats here 2 times. Here we have to repeat 3 times. Then after that 4, 1, 0. 6,66,410. Then smallest number, 6 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how to prepare a 6-digit number? Smallest. First we have to take a bigger numbers here. 2, 5, same way. Here 1 repeats 3 times, here 1 repeats 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here smallest number. So what is the smallest number? So we have to take 5 as it is. And 0 here repeats 3 times, we have to take 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that 7. And here 1, 4, 6 same. 1, 4, 6. Here 0 repeats 2 times, here 0 will repeat 3 times. 1, 2, 3. In this way we have to prepare our number. Prepare our numbers. Okay. Now, this is by using the digits. So we prepare 5 digits smaller and greater. Here 6 digit greater and smaller numbers we prepare it. In the same way. So use the given digits to form greater smallest number. That is 7-digit number we need. 7-digit number we need. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now, here see. So how to prepare using the digits? First, greater number. Greater number means first we have to write smaller numbers here. 1, 3, 1, 2, first, after that 2, after that 3, after that 5. Then 7 is left, 7 we have to take 3 times. This is smallest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then first smallest one, 2. Then after that 4. Then after that 2, 4, 5. Then after that 6. Smaller, arrange in ascending order. Then after that 7 is left, 7 3 times we have to take. This we have to write in greater number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, how to write greater number? First, smaller number we have to take in ones place. So what is the smaller number here? Smaller number is 1. So this we have to take in ones place. Then after that, so which we have to take? So we have to take 1. Smaller than 1 is 2. Little bit bigger is 2. Then after that, little bit bigger is in between all the 7, 6. 6 will come. Then after that, which will come? 7. 7 will come. Then 4 digits over, then 9 is left. In the remaining places, you have to keep 9. 9, 9, 9. Then smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are nothing. Nothing is there in this. Whatever smallest or largest number, if we need, first we have to arrange in greater numbers. In greater case, we have to take in ones place smaller. Then little bit bigger. Little bit bigger. If little bit bigger. If one digit is left, that digit you have to fill in the remaining places. So here, smaller in ones place. Then smaller, little bit bigger, little bit bigger, little bit bigger. If one place is left, one digit is left, that you repeat. How many places left in that places you keep. And here, smaller, little bit bigger, little bit bigger, little bit bigger. Here one digit is left, that digit you repeat in the remaining places. Then you will get the greater number. In the same case, in the smallest number, we start from bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 7. First you take 7, then 5 from here. 5, little bit smaller, then 3, then 2, then 1 is left. So in the remaining places you keep smaller. 1, 1, 1. So this is the arrangement of the smallest number. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then first you take a bigger number, 7 first. Bigger, then little bit smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Then 2 is left. In the remaining places, you take that 2. 1, 2, 3 times. Here in this case also same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First you take bigger number, 9. Then smaller than this, 7. Then smaller than this, 6. Then smaller than this, 2. Then 1 is left. That one you repeat. So in the remaining places, 1, 1, 1. You will get a smaller number. In this way we have to arrange greater number and smaller number. Okay. So these values we have to arrange in nearest tens. Nearest to tens and nearest hundreds. Near to 100, near to 10. Then how to make the given numbers into near to tens. See here. So this is a number line. 65 is given. 65 is in between 60 to 70. 60 to 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's 61, 62, 63, 64, this is 65. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So what is this? This is 65. 65 is here. If a number is 65 exactly in the middle, so it is equal to this. So it is exactly in the middle, then we have to take 70. So it is near to 70. If a number is exactly in the middle, then we give the preference to the right value. So what is that? 70. So we have to take 70. Now 17. 17 is in between 10 to 20. At 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here the value is 17. 17 is near to 20. Far to this 10. So it is near to 20. 17 is near to 20. So this is our nearest to 20. Nearest to 10s. 17 is near to 20. So nearest to 10 is 20. 17 nearest to 10 is 20. Now here 245. 245. Now 45. You take this nearest 10. Once 10. Still 10s only you have to take. So then 45. 45 is in between 40 and 50. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. This is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What is here? 45. Here 45. 45 is exactly middle of these two, 40 and 50. So we have to give the preference to this right value, that is 50. That is 2 as it is. 245 is near to 50, 250. We have to write 250. 245 is near to 250. Then we have to take as it is. Don't disturb your hundreds place. So just we have to round off this tens place. If 45 is there, you make it 50. You make it 50. Now, this one. Nearest to tens means we have to disturb this 82 only. So then 9 as it is. So after that we will get 82. 82 in between 80 and 90. 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 86, 87, 88, 89. Here 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So what is here? 82. Here 82 is there. 82 is near to 80 and far to 90. So nearest 82 is near to 80. Then 980. 980. 982 nearest tens is 980. 980. Okay. Now here round up the given number nearest to 100. Nearest to 100. This question. Here nearest to 100. Till here we have to take. Till 100's place we have to take. Why? Because nearest to 100. 400. 400 is in between 400 and 500. 400 and 500. Here 400. Here 500. This is 400. This is 410. 420. 430. 440. Here 450. Here 460. 470. 480. 490. 500. Now 427. 427. 427 is in between 420 and 30. Here it will come. 420 and 7. 7 means in between 20 and 30. 427 is near to 400 and far to 500. So 427 is nearest 100 is 400. Nearest to 100 is 400. Then 584. 500 is in between 500 and 600. 584. 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590. Then this is 500. 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 500, then 560, 570, 580, 590, then here 600, 600, 584, 580, 580 is there, then 4 here in between 80 and 90. 584 is near to 600 and far to this 500. So 584 is near to 600. Then 584 is near to 600. In this way you have to find nearest value. The remaining questions you do as a homework.